Good evening, everyone. Time for a quick weather update. I'm recording this around 8 o'clock or so. Thanks for clicking onto my Weather Extra. We have some rain and snow moving in tonight. After midnight, any leftover rain should be transitioning over to some snow, and it should be a fairly light accumulation for pretty much the entire area. I stopped by my daughter's kindergarten class this morning. Before I left, I told the kids, by the time you wake up tomorrow, you're probably going to have some snow falling from the sky. And they went ballistic. They were all excited. I don't think the teachers are too happy with me, but the point being, just enough to get the kids all excited here. By afternoon, we should see a fair amount of melting with some sun returning tomorrow. Again, I'm recording this at 8 o'clock. Note some of the rain already occurring through portions of New Hampshire, and a lot of this will be moving up into southern and central Maine. It's snowing already in the mountains at 8 o'clock. Here's what we can expect. We traded in the puddle ducky for the snow ducky. I remember the puddle ducky with that big rainfall we had just a few weeks ago. Well, there he is, rolling a snowball now. A general light accumulation should be expected, a coating to as much as 3 inches for a good chunk of the area. The timing on this is generally about 10 p.m. through about 8 a.m. A winter weather advisory goes into effect at 11 p.m. tonight. Some rain initially to start. We will see that transition over to snow as colder air filters in. And even then, the temperatures are marginal. Air temp should be right around the freezing mark during your morning commute tomorrow. Here's satellite radar. Again, I'm recording this at 8 o'clock. There's some rain to our south. It's already snowing in the mountains. Let's take a look at that temperature setup. And these temps really have to fall significantly in order for us to get some accumulations, especially in the Portland area. So I'm recording this at 8 and we're seeing 43 degrees. That's the 8 o'clock update. Lewis and Auburn, you're closer to the mid-30s. Same in the Augusta area, Rumford, Freiburg. It's not going to take much to accumulate for you. But in Brunswick, still near 40 degrees. Sanford, still near 40 degrees as well. Winter weather advisories go into effect at 11 o'clock. Areas in tan, they extend until 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So at least through the first part of your morning commute, we'll probably have some snow. And there could be some slick travel in a few spots here. But again, overall light accumulations for tomorrow. Up to 2 inches in the areas in the darker shade of blue. This is my best estimate. This includes the Sebago Lake region, the greater Portland area, a good chunk of York County, even portions of Oxford County and Franklin County. Again to Lewis and Auburn east through Augusta, Waterville, even the north side of Bath, Brunswick, up into portions of Waldo County where they get hit hard 2 weeks ago, 1 to 3 inches. Jackpot will be about 2 to 5 into down east sections there. And there could be a few spots that get slightly higher amounts up towards the presidential range there. You get across Route 302 and Crawford Notch and even Pinkham Notch, maybe just a little bit more. All right, 11 o'clock tonight, here we are. This is one forecast model's depiction on how this plays out. This is run off the RPM model. 11 o'clock tonight, we have some rain with temps in the mid to upper 30s at the coastline here. It's snowing for interior parts of York County, west side of Sebago Lake. It's snowing up through portions of Androscoggin and Kennebec County. Notice the temperature in Rangeley there, already cooling down significantly. So just in time for your morning commute, you'll have the flakes flying. That's the way it looks anyway. The good news is it's probably not going to be a big snowfall, just enough to coat the ground for many areas and maybe enough to make for some slick travel, but it's not going to last. 6 o'clock in the morning, we're seeing temps marginal around the freezing mark. That clearing trend is already taking place over western areas. And by afternoon, we're seeing some sun return. Some melting is occurring with highs in the lower 40s. Now, as we head into the weekend, it's going to be chilly. Let's remember, this is November, and just a few days ago, we had highs near 60 degrees. Some towns made it into the low 60s just 3 days ago. Now we're looking at overnight lows in the teens and 20s early Saturday. By afternoon, the daytime highs will probably be in the mid to upper 30s. Normal high for this day is in the upper 40s. We'll have full sun on Saturday. Can't say the same for Sunday. More clouds roll in that day. Greatest chance for a snow shower will be back in the mountains. High temps will be a tad warmer, but still below normal, with highs in the low 40s. Snow ends tomorrow morning. Brighter skies by afternoon. Saturday looks bright but chilly. Mid to upper 30s, low 40s Sunday with more clouds. Our next storm system moves in on Monday, and there's still a lot of question marks with that one, but my best estimate right now is some rain and a wintry mix is possible at the coastline. Flip those numbers around. It's more of a rain mix snow situation for inland areas, and the greatest chance for seeing accumulations will probably be away from the coast on Monday. We'll deal with that one when the time comes, but as of tonight, that's my best estimate for not only the Monday system, but what's happening out there tonight and into early tomorrow. I'll have updates coming up on Fox 23 at 10 and CBS 13 at 11. Craig Miller will have the latest first thing tomorrow morning on Good Day Maine. Have a nice night.